It's an emotional feeling.
When you're after soothing softness, a nosy lead deserves puffs.
Oh, shit.
I wanted to know why some people who get COVID-19 get it so bad. I found out it may be because they have a high risk factor, such as heart disease.
Pajamas. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Hey. Real shit though. Baby girl, is you gon' rap for me? Right. Baby girl, you gon' slide for me? Slide. To the top, we gon' go. Baby, I want you to ride with me. I'm out here, I'm on my grind. I'm gon' make sure you alright. Hey. Let me know. Is he riding, baby? Let me know. Stacking the dividends, stacking it. Living residual, living it. Counting up all this money, baby. You know how we do. It's just you and me, girl. Ain't no love in the crew. Out your back when you get to it, baby. I'm loving what you do. Pull your ear and slap your ass cheeks. Don't tell me about the past week, baby. You a star, you my freak. Like the movies, we got quality. Ay. Want you a part of me. One to the top, baby. Don't stop at me. Ay. Baby, come rock with me. Ay. Come rock with me now. Let me know. Is he riding, baby? Let me know. Yep, guys. Yeah, man. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Yeah, guys. I'm out here on the road. Just came from grocery shopping. And I got my blender too, man. Finally. I needed a fucking blender so I could make my smoothies and shit. Not just smoothies, but like juice. I got one of them Ninja. What y'all think about those? It's a good investment. Make some natural juices and shit. Oh man, this traffic is crazy, guys. But now y'all see I got the little mount, guys. So yeah, man, this shit right here, that's it for you. Yeah, man. Tell me how y'all liking this view with the mount. Shit. Man, there's traffic everywhere, guys. Ooh. Yeah, man. Shit. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel, cause I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of the year, guys. Y'all gotta help me reach 100 subscribers. Remember to check out the link in the description. I got some clothing, some fly shit coming out. Make sure to check it out. Yep, guys, make sure to check it out. I got some fly shit coming out, man. It's already out, but yeah. I'm trying to get on this highway and see. It's fucking, man, it's traffic, guys. So, yeah. UPS passing by. Hopefully they came through with my package too, man. Yeah, niggas. Traffic. I'm gonna check back in with y'all guys when we start making progress. Jiggy. So I'm back at it, guys. Hopefully it's no more traffic. Yep. Hopefully, guys. I'm about to go through the tunnel and let y'all hear it, so I'm trying to see. Tell me what y'all like about this POV. Man, the sun is beaming, guys. I'm trying to tell y'all. This shit is crazy. It's like beaming, like blinding you. Y'all gonna see though. Hopefully you don't blind the camera. But yep. This is how it goes, man. This is the way it is. Hopefully I could catch this light, man. These people don't want to move. I ain't gonna catch it though. That shit is crazy. Yeah. Oh shit. people don't fucking wanna drive. Sun is beaming, guys. I'm trying to tell you. Sun is beaming. Shit is crazy. Trying to see myself with that shit. But yeah, guys, I'm about to open it for y'all. Let y'all hear in the tunnel. Tell me what y'all think. Traffic, guys, traffic. Are y'all liking this video? I like this shit. Subscribe, man. I'm about to cut this joint. Yep, guys. We out here, guys, in a rainy day again. What you doing, bro? Get the fuck out my way. That's really cool. Yeah, guys. It's raining. I just started the vlog in the rain, man. About to try to go get my hair done and shit. Yep. Yeah, chill. They claim it was supposed to be raining ice, but guess it's just raining rain right now. POV through the city, guys. Yeah. stop my music to give y'all this view of the rain and shit. So y'all see what's going on. Now I got tires, so y'all don't gotta worry. What's been going on with y'all lately, man? Make sure y'all drop a comment too. And I got some fly shit too, man, coming in, y'all. Y'all ain't been checking out them links. Got some fly shit coming in. I need to check them links out. And fuck with my clothing. Yep, guys. See what's going on, man. We in the city. It's a rainy day today. The kids are going to school. You can see it. Y'all see that bus trying to push me off the road? This nigga trying to see, like, what the fuck, dudes? Relax. You gonna go? Shit. But yeah, guys, man, make sure y'all like and subscribe. I be getting the views and I don't be getting the likes. What's up with that? And I noticed I stopped sharing my videos and I'm still getting the views, but I ain't getting the likes. What's going on, guys? That shit crazy right there. I'm getting the views, but I ain't getting the likes. That's crazy, guys. Where they do that at. They need to do it better, man. They need to do it better. Get the fuck out the way, man. You see this shit? Say too, you know, when it rains and it be leaves on the road, that should be slippery too. Y'all ever noticed that? So make sure y'all stay careful, man, on this street, man. I'm gonna tune into with y'all when I get somewhere, alright? I'm gonna go back to my music. Yes. Look at this joint, clean, right? Man, this giant sweet. I can't even get to see the back yet, but yeah, man, make sure y'all check that link out in the description. That shit, yeah.